Hi, this is part 2 of me servicing an idle Evomax 150. The manufacturers recommend flushing it through with boiling hot water. I used a soft brush and then I cleaned out the condensate trap afterwards. I've just changed the probes and now I'm about to reconnect the necessary parts on the appliance. So we have the sill on here, the new sill with the correct side facing up. Okay, I've started by hand tightening the nuts at the back because they are the most awkward ones to get to. Just a quick line of advice for yourself and for myself to remember: when you're working, make sure that you're comfortable. When you're working, don't put yourself in an uncomfortable position. Always seek to work comfortably, work safe, don't rush, don't even worry about the time too much when you're working. Work methodically, put things back when you have your tools. If possible, put all your tools back as you found them in your tool bag. Clean along the way, and just work in a manner where you are not rushing. And because this is gas you're working on, if you forget to put something back or you forget a bolt or certain things, you can cause problems. So take your time, there's no rush in this. Okay, we have our socket set. Ideally, if you can get a torque wrench, that would be even better, so you can tighten up the connections evenly. In this scenario, we do not have a torque wrench, so what we're going to do is we've tightened them up hand tight. Sometimes on these things you can use like WD-40 or some form of safe lubricant on the nuts or even the bolts in order to make sure that you have a good tight connection. So we've got our 8mm, I believe, 8mm, yep, it's our 8mm socket set, and we're going to tighten up here. Okay, fairly tight, and then we're going to go over to the other end. Then we're going to come over here. And over here diagonally. Then I'm going to come over here. Then I'm going to diagonally come over here. Then I'm going to come over here. Then diagonally over here. Then I'm going to go over them again. Here. Same over here.